Your kidneys are under a silent attack right now, and what you eat to stay healthy could be the very thing harming them. But there are 4 specific powerful compounds that can shield your kidneys and help them heal faster than you think. Your kidneys are your body's non-stop filtration plant. Every minute, they process blood, remove waste, and keep your internal balance in check. Yet, daily stress, environmental toxins, poor diet, and lack of water can overwhelm this delicate system. When that happens, toxins accumulate. You might feel constantly drained, notice swelling, deal with fuzzy thinking, or struggle to sleep. In this video, I'm revealing the 4 top protective nutrients that help purge toxins and accelerate kidney repair. Most folks overlook them or worse, use them incorrectly. 1. The first offender, L-Carnitine. The first offender is something your body makes, but often not enough when it counts. L-Carnitine. Now, carnitine is rarely the headline star in kidney health conversations, but its role is absolutely critical. It's produced naturally in your liver and kidneys, and you get it from foods like red meat and fish. Here's the issue. As kidney function dips, your body's production of this compound plummets. L-carnitine's core job is to shuttle fatty acids into your cell's power stations, the mitochondria, to be burned for clean energy. When levels are low, fats clog the cellular machinery. This leads to toxic buildup, inflammation, and oxidative stress that erodes kidney tissue over time. Beyond energy, it's a formidable antioxidant. It neutralizes dangerous free radicals and, crucially, bolsters your body's master antioxidant glutathione. This is key for detox and kidney defense. Research confirms that individuals with kidney challenges often have low carnitine. This deficiency can manifest as deep fatigue and sluggish toxin clearance, clear signs your renal cells are struggling. By enhancing mitochondrial efficiency, lowering oxidative damage, and helping clear metabolic waste, L-carnitine creates an environment where kidney cells can stop just surviving and start repairing. Your kidneys can't heal if they're drowning in cellular waste. For best use, it's typically taken with meals and pairs powerfully with other protectors like vitamins C and E plus ample water. It's a foundational force for renal recovery. 2. The cellular shield, Coenzyme Q10. Number 2 is the cellular guardian you know for heart health, but its kidney benefits are profound. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10 exists in every single cell, concentrated in those mitochondria. We get trace amounts from foods like organ meats and fatty fish, but it's often insufficient. Think of CoQ10 as a shield embedded in your cell membranes. During energy production, mitochondria generate free radicals. CoQ10 intercepts these attackers before they can damage the fragile fats and proteins in kidney cell walls. This is a relentless 24/7 job for your kidneys. CoQ10 also acts as a wingman for other antioxidants like reviving spent vitamin E so it can fight again. It even protects the precious DNA inside mitochondria itself. When this DNA is safeguarded, kidney cells maintain their vitality and longevity. Perhaps its most vital role is preventing premature cell death. Under oxidative siege, kidney cells can get the signal to self-destruct. CoQ10 helps stabilize the environment, preventing unnecessary loss of functional tissue. This is huge for slowing damage. Studies link lower CoQ10 levels with declining kidney function. Supplementing consistently, ideally with a fat-containing meal for absorption, supports mitochondrial integrity and antioxidant balance over the long term. It's not a flashy detox, but essential, sustained cellular armor. 3. The antioxidant recycler, Alpha-Lipoic Acid, ALA. Now, the third protector is uniquely versatile, Alpha-Lipoic Acid, or ALA. ALA is a natural compound involved in converting sugar into cellular energy. You'll find it in organ meats and some plants, but demand skyrockets under stress, age, or metabolic issues. What makes ALA exceptional? First, it's a potent free radical neutralizer. It also binds to excess metals like iron in kidney tissue, which can fuel oxidative damage. Second, it's a brilliant recycler. After vitamin C, E, and glutathione do their job, they become inactive. ALA steps in to reactivate them, supercharging your body's entire antioxidant network. Third, it dials down inflammation by modulating the signals that trigger it, giving kidney cells a chance to recover. ALA also supports healthy metabolism of blood sugar and fats, major factors in kidney stress. By improving metabolic function, it directly reduces the burden on your renal filters. For use, ALA is commonly taken once daily. Consistency is key. It shines brightest when combined with the other nutrients we're discussing, forming a synergistic defense team. 4. The enzyme activator, selenium. The fourth and final element isn't a vitamin but an essential mineral, selenium. Your body can't produce selenium. You must get it from diet. Brazil nuts are the superstar source. Just 1 or 2 can meet your daily need. It's also in seafood, meats, and certain vegetables. Why is this trace mineral so mighty for your kidneys? Selenium is the crucial component of powerful antioxidant enzymes, like glutathione peroxidase. Think of these enzymes as specialized cleanup crews that scavenge harmful radicals before they injure renal cells and DNA. In chronic kidney issues, selenium levels are often depleted, leaving this defense system weak. Supplementing wisely, often through diet, can boost the activity of these protective enzymes, fortifying your kidneys from within. Selenium also collaborates beautifully with vitamin E, creating a stronger combined effect than either alone. It's about support, not megadoses. More is not better. In essence, selenium powers your body's innate detox enzymes, helping to clear toxins and protect cellular integrity during early stages of kidney stress. Conclusion. So let's connect the dots. There's no solitary miracle cure for kidney repair. True support comes from reducing internal cellular stress and enhancing your body's own repair mechanisms. L-Carnitine clears energetic roadblocks. CoQ10 shields your cellular power plants. ALA recharges your entire antioxidant system. Selenium empowers your natural cleanup crews. Together, they work at the deepest cellular level to lower toxic burden, quiet inflammation, and create the conditions for kidney recovery. If this roadmap makes sense, please show your support by liking this video. It helps more people find this vital information here on Healthy Lifestyle.